her standing up, all by herself.
Right.
No strings attached.
Right, it's cute.
Oopsie.
Oopsie daisy.
You're not going to take a step?
Look.
What you doing? You're supposed to walk over. Oh, I shouldn't encourage you, should I? Hello. Ta. Hello.
Give the bill to Mum.
We had an eventful day the other day.